Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. And here we have the Alfa Romeo Giulia on a 69 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through just a few of the controls on the inside of it. From the outside though, you can see it's a four-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot area first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have those twin tailpipes, reversing sensors, and plenty of boot space available as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in, and as I said, just run through a few of the controls on the inside of the car from there. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way around, and a great looking vehicle as well. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in, and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. So on the left-hand side, first of all, we've got the rev counter. We have the speedometer over on the right-hand side, along with the fuel gauge for the car. In the centre, you can see a digital readout for the speedometer. You can change that information by pressing a button on the end of the right-hand stalk for various different things. Below that are the total miles for this car. They are 45,458. If we back out to the steering wheel next, we've got our cruise control. The start and stop button for the engine is on the steering wheel here as well. And then we have stereo and phone controls. The massive minus paddle and plus paddle are so that you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox should you wish to do so. Into the centre next, we've got the main screen for the car. As you can see, that screen includes satellite navigation. We can come back to our menu. All the movement that you see me making on the screen is being done using this dial just here. So you can, of course, select navigation, which is what we were on. You can pair up your phone. You can access your radio and media. You can skip to different preset radio stations should you wish to. You can also, of course, change the band from FM, DAB, and AM. Say under media is where you'll listen to your own music. You can connect up a device. Of course, nothing is connected at the moment. We have our CD player. You can stream your music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio should you wish to, and then you have various menus for your car and of course a settings menu as well. Below that section we have the dual zone climate control. You can adjust the passenger temperature, driver temperature, the fan speed, up and down. All adjustments will show as you make them along the bottom of the screen just here. So you can see there, driver temperature, passenger temperature, and of course, fan speed, all come up on the screen. You can also change the direction of the air for both driver and passenger. We have a heated driver seat and passenger seat, both of which have 3 different heat settings each. And we have a heated steering wheel as well. Once you have the air conditioning where you like it, that button turns the air conditioning off, back on again, or you can hit auto. The car will now take full control to maintain the temperatures that you've asked for. You can override that manually whenever you wish to. You see auto has now got off. We have a USB input, 2 cup holders. You can, if you wish to, close this over to cover that section. And then we have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, the main volume for the stereo, the dial, which I went through just a moment ago, and then this dial just here. So for everyday driving, most of the time you'd be in N, which is for neutral or natural. We have all weather, and we've also got dynamic, and every change you make will show up on the screen here. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour of the car, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.